Have you ever heard of an energy that can transcend time and space, relieve pain, reduce stress, and profoundly transform the way you feel? This energy exists, and it is called Reiki. Today you will discover what Reiki is, how it works, what its benefits are, and why this practice has helped millions of people around the world. Stay with me until the end because I am sure you will be surprised. Hello and welcome. In this video I will guide you on a journey to clearly and simply understand the fundamentals of Reiki. If you arrived here because you are curious about energy therapies, spirituality, or self-knowledge, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you don't miss any of the upcoming content I will bring about this transformative practice. But after all, what is Reiki? Reiki is a therapeutic practice of Japanese origin, created by Mikao Usui in the early 20th century. The word Reiki is made up of two Japanese characters. Rei means universal energy, the divine energy that permeates the entire universe. And Ki means individual vital energy, the one that flows in all living beings. It is the same idea as Kai in traditional Chinese medicine or prana in yoga. When we bring Rei and Ki together, we have Reiki, which can be translated as universal life energy. In other words, Reiki is the union of the energy of the universe with our own energy, creating a flow of healing, balance, and harmony. But how does this energy actually work? The Reiki practitioner acts as a channel. They do not use their own energy, but the universal energy. This energy is channeled through the hands and transmitted to the receiver, always in the exact amount the person needs. This means there is no exaggeration, no risk, no side effects. Reiki flows naturally, intelligently, and safely. The role of the practitioner is simply to open up as a channel, without effort, without exhaustion, and without personal interference. This energy works in different ways. First, it helps to dissolve energetic blockages that may have accumulated over the years due to trauma, stress, repressed emotions, or difficult situations. In addition, Reiki promotes the balance of the chakras, which are the energy centers of our body. When these centers are harmonized, our physical, emotional, and mental health are also strengthened. And that is why so many people report, during a Reiki session, feelings of deep relaxation, inner peace, and even relief from physical and emotional pain. Now you may be wondering, but does Reiki bring real benefits? Let me tell you some of the main ones. Reiki helps reduce stress and anxiety, fostering a state of mental calm. It promotes deep relaxation that is often compared to hours of restorative sleep. It balances the 7 chakras, strengthens the immune system, improves sleep quality, and increases vitality. Reiki can also support the treatment of physical pain, emotional problems, muscle tension, and even more subtle issues like sadness, insecurity, and lack of focus. It can be applied to people, animals, plants, and even environments. And the most amazing part, it can be done at a distance, breaking the barriers of time and space. One of Reiki's greatest advantages is that it is completely safe. It has no contraindications, it does not interfere with other medical treatments, and it can be practiced by anyone who receives the proper initiation. That is why Reiki is recognized by the World Health Organization as a complementary therapeutic practice. In many hospitals and clinics around the world, Reiki is already used as support in patient care, helping to reduce pain, anxiety, and improve recovery. Another powerful characteristic of Reiki is self-treatment. After a person is initiated, they can apply Reiki to themselves, promoting daily balance, toxin release, energy unblockage, and a lighter life. Reiki also does not drain the therapist. On the contrary, the one who applies it also receives the energy. It is a two-way path, where the giver also receives. In addition, the more you practice, the stronger your ability to channel this energy becomes. And here is an important point. Reiki has no religious connotation. It is sacred, yes, but it does not belong to any religion. It can be practiced by anyone, regardless of belief, culture, or age. Another interesting detail is that Reiki does not become obsolete. Since its discovery, the technique has remained the same. There are no trends, no need for constant adaptations. Once initiated, the channels remain open for the rest of your life. And if you are interested in going deeper, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. Now I want to know from you, have you ever received or practiced Reiki? How was your experience? Leave your comment below because I would love to hear your story.